We've got a few new products in, and there's a little bit of an update on the AGV K7, so stay tuned and see what we've got. Okay, so first of all, we've got the new colours in the AGVs. These have literally just arrived, so there's a limited number of sizes, but we have now got the Damascus in black and silver, the Kyber, so this is matte, black and red. We've got the Kyber in the fluoro yellow and grey. We've also got the Thorax, which you've seen in one of our earlier videos, and the one that people have been waiting for the most, which is the Flow 46. This thing looks stunning. We've also got the previous colours which we had, so the Mono Matte Black, Mono White and the Mono Grey Evo. So they're all in stock at the moment. So just as an update for these K7s, we did a video tutorial on how to fit AGV's inside intercom into the K7. They have made some slight changes. So the one that we had was a really early pre-production kind of version. And what they've done is they've done some soundproofing to the inside of the helmet. They put some fabric over the EPS at the bottom, which has covered up the channel where your speaker wire used to go down through the EPS. That's now gone. The fabric kind of covers it over. It is there. If you push down on the fabric, you can feel that the slot's still in the EPS moulding, but you can't really see it as easily. The other things they've done is, so there's some kind of soft foam pads and neoprene between the outer shell and the EPS to make it a bit quieter, and then foam inserts where the chin strap goes through the EPS as well. And that's all been done to make the helmet as quiet as possible. Okay, so we've also got a few other new helmets in store. So we've got the Shinyin Nakano, really cool retro helmet. We've got the Nakagami, so one of his latest versions of that design. And my favourite, which is the Nakasuga. This is such a cool looking helmet, especially with the silver visor on it, and then the iridiums and the blacks. These visors don't come with the helmets, but they are all in stock. So if you're looking for an Arai visor, then just stop by our store and have a look at some of the visors we got in stock. Like for instance, this iridium blue on the Torx 5 as well. So Ryan's currently doing a bit of a service on some customer helmets. So we've got a customer who's come in, he's bought one of these new Arais. His two old helmets, which you can see down here, he's now going to retire. He wanted them cleaning and getting minted basically before he puts them into storage. So Ryan has been, look at the colour of that water there. Cleaning all the skull cap linings, the chin curtains, all the side plates have been cleaned inside and out, and they're all going to get cleaned down, re-lubricated. The helmet will be put back together probably in the best condition it has been since it was brand new, and then when they go into storage they'll stay like that. The other thing that's slightly new, we've expanded on our range of aero helmets. So we've got the Commander 2s, which we had before. We've got the Matrix, which, there's no hiding the fact I quite like that Matrix. But we've also now got the Connor, the Spark 2s, so they're now in stock, and Spectre as well. So with the popularity of the Commander 2s, the Matrix, and the quality, the build quality is good, so we've just expanded a little bit and see what other helmets that Aero do that are worth having in. So now we've got a few other products that are worth having a look at. We've got some new Dainese kits, so let's head over here and have a look at that. Okay, so we've got the new Dainese Mangen kit. We've got it in the tarmac colour, which is basically like this olive green pretty much, and the ebony, which is almost like a bluish grey. It's a really cool colour. We've also got the trousers that go with that kit. So around here you'll see the ebony and the tarmac. Then as we come over here, you'll see we've also got the Mangen ebony for ladies as well. Another thing we've got in is the Ignite 2 jacket for the ladies, so this is new in. Then onto the Dainese Torque 4 boot. So we've got the Torque 4 boot in a red and black, and we've got it in the all black here. Now, one of the things that I like about the red and black, it has this transparent front section, and you can see that Pro Armor kind of honeycomb shape in it. Unfortunately, with the black version, it's fully blacked, but I think people will still like that. Then we've got, as like a low ankle boot, but still in kind of like a racy style. So it's like a hybrid between a race boot and a sneaker. We've got these Superya ankle boots. Really smart, good with jeans. If you're riding a sports bike, you want that feel of sports boot, but you don't want all the kit. You could put a pair of jeans on, put a sporty jacket on like this Super Speed 4 jeans and those Superya ankle boots. So now to finish, we have got the Dainese Laguna Seca 6 suits. We've got it in the black, white and anthracite, and we've also got it in the black, white, red. These are really smart suits. So they're using more of a hybrid construction between the leather, which we've traditional material used for one-piece suits, but we're seeing more of these kind of stretch panels and this kind of fabric front panel, which is actually like a stretch panel. So although it has some abrasion resistance to it, it is actually a low abrasion area or a low impact area being on the chest. It does have abrasion resistance to it, but it also allows an element of stretch, which means that fit of the suit can be even better than if it was all leather. And that is pretty much all our new products at the moment. So if you're ever around Manchester way and you want to come and see our MyMoto store, our MyMoto D store, then pop down, come and see us. There's plenty of kit in here that you can try. But also don't forget, if you're nearer to Derbyshire, we've got a shop in Clay Cross, or if you're nearer to Yorkshire, we've got a shop in Leeds. So come and check out any of our shops. Alternatively, if you can't make it to one of our shops, then go to one of our websites. We've got two websites, mymoto-uk.com or dstoremanchester.co.uk. That's pretty much everything. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see more of our content. Leave us a comment if you've got any questions about products. If there's anything you want to see reviewed, road tested, we will get it done for you. Until next time, ride safe.